All right, so this engine's blown. That's gonna come out too, but for the hood, you can see down in there, we've got a couple clips. We just gotta move it, the hood a certain way, up and out, and it'll usually come right out, but you also have to disconnect your lights, okay? So you have to disconnect your lights out of there as well. There should be a disconnect down over in here, okay? We'll get all that disconnected, and then we're gonna pull our hood off, okay? Okay, so there's a notch out on that cord right there. See that? Sorry for the, right there, you just pull that guy, we're gonna pull that through. Okay, so that pulls out of there, and then we're gonna take our lights out. Twist, usually twist to the left or the right. In this case, we're going to the right, and then they pull right out. There's your bulbs, okay? Same thing here, we twist to the right or the left, and they pull right out, okay? So we are now free. Actually, we got to pull the hood off, but that wire is off and our light bulbs are out. Let's work on pulling the hood off. I don't have my tripod out here just yet, but we're going to pull that off. We're going to stand in front of it and just yank it from the front. So we've already taken our lights out, as I just showed you. All right, our cord's right down here. All right, and I showed you the bottom mounts right here. So we're standing in front of the unit. We're just going to wiggle a little bit here, pop right up. And you go forward and then out, okay? So see how I did that? It's all the way up. You go forward and lift up, and it comes right out. And from there, folks, see, your light bulbs are gonna swing. You see this underneath? See now they're gonna go underneath. Just keep everything intact. Careful with them. They're gentle. And then this guy right here, and you're out. So here are your light bulbs right here. Here's your hood. Again, you stand in front of it. You go forward, and lift up, and that's it. Very, very simple on that. Okay.